Pick the course content link on the left panel. Scroll down the page to the ArcGIS download item. Click on the exe file to start the download. When the download finishes, launch the file. Some browsers will say run, others might say open. Be patient. This is a big file. If your internet connection is slow, this can take a while. Allow the exe file to run. Note the destination folder and accept the defaults. Make sure the Launch the Setup Program button is on. Pick the Next button. Read and accept the license agreement. Pick Next. Make sure Complete is selected. Pick Next. Accept the default locations and settings. Pick the Install button, and again be patient. This can take a while. It might take 30 minutes or so to complete the installation. Click the Finish button and you're now ready to authorize your software.